What's that smell like?
Smells like cherries.
You got David Brooks.
Hello, my name is David.
Jesus born.
Mad, innit? Like, your parents looked at you as a baby and got name you David.
What, a Neco's like?
So look at a baby and go, David.
Yeah, but there's plenty of like Davids knocking about. There's no Neco's.
I'm Neco Williams.
I'm David Brooks.
I'm Neco Williams. Just say your name!
Yeah.
Or you did a countdown.
I'm Chris Mepham.
I'm David Brooks.
And I'm Neco Williams.
And this is Christmas with Cymru.
Right. Oh, you didn't get a toy, just a joke.
Why was the turkey in the pop group?
Not sure.
Because he was the only one with drumsticks.
What do Santa's little helpers learn at school? The alphabet.
The what?
Alphabet.
Why can't Christmas trees knit? Because they lose all their needles.
Who's the biggest Grinch in the Welsh squad?
Harry Wilson loves them all.
Oh,
He loves a little bit of a whinge. What's your favourite Christmas tradition?
in my household, we always play card games and board games on Christmas Day. Do we play it?
Trumps.
Probably, yeah. If you could only have one Christmas food for the rest of your life, what would it be?
Chocolate.
Oh, Christmas food.
Yeah. Chocolate. That's what you get,
Oh,
mate.
Christmas food.
What,
Christmas
so
food.
like just one item of
Oh no, like, well, it'll be like,
mince pie?
yeah, Christmas pudding or mince pies,
Mince pie.
turkey.
Mince pie. What's the best present you received as a child?
Don't know, I got a bike one time. It was pretty cool. With the pegs on.
Nice.
On BMX, yeah. What'd you get? Socks.
I think I remember getting a QPR kit every Christmas.
What's an acceptable date to put up your Christmas decorations?
Ah,
May?
November the 20th.
we put ours up that time last year, and by the time Christmas Day came, like, the tree was just dead.
You
You
get
got
I
real
think
tree?
it was like 5-6 weeks. Yeah, real one.
Do you?
Oh, nice.
Did you get a fake?
Yeah,
Yeah, fakey as well.
you should get fake.
Yeah.
Then you won't die.
Otherwise, what's your go-to Christmas movie each year?
Home Alone.
Arthur Christmas. Big fan of Arthur Christmas, yeah.
What's the one thing on your Christmas wish list this year?
Do some toothpaste, yeah.
Yeah, deodorant, some deodorant, something like that for Meps. What's your favourite character from a Christmas-themed movie or TV special?
Gavin and Stacey.
Cameron Diaz in The Holiday.
What?
If you could travel anywhere for Christmas, where would you go and why?
Lapland.
Where's that?
Not too sure, but I see it on TikTok all the time. It looks unbelievable. What's your ultimate Christmas dinner plate lineup?
Turkey, pigs in blankets, a little bit of mash, roasties, carrots, peas.
Parsnips.
If you could invite any famous sports person to your Christmas dinner, who would it be and why?
I'd invite you to.
That's nice, yeah. It's a touch of class,
I'm a
that is.
science fan.
Yeah,
And H. And Bram.
to the Wales squad.
And Keith.
Well, since you invited me, I'd invite you back.
Thank
You know what I mean? Next year.
Yeah?
Yeah.
One more. No, I've got one more. Who's got the smelly of breath? Chris Mepham or Harry Wilson? Nadolig Llawen.
And a happy new year.
Thanks for your support throughout this year.